Hi everyone, it's Cecilia from Lordhair and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products, LP1. It's a very light, breathable and easy to attach and clean hair system, and here's why. This hair system is composed by two materials. The first one is lace here in the top. Lace is a very soft, light and breathable material. So basically, if you come from a very warm country or if you do a lot of sports, that's definitely the hair system for you because it allows your scalp to breathe. While here in the perimeter and also here in the front we have skin perimeter, so a skin layer. It makes basically the hair system easier to attach and clean. So some more info about this hair system. It comes in different base sizes, so we have it in 6x8, 6x9, 7x9, 7x10 and 8x10 inches, and the hair density is medium. We always suggest the medium light hair density to men because it's the most common, but if you're looking for some more hair than the average, then this is definitely the hair system for you. This is all for now from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this hair system very much, you can find it on our website www.lordhair.com. I remind you that it's available for immediate shipment and it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you need any further information, you can send an email to support@lordhair.com. Thank you for watching.
Lordhair, for a better you.